Afghanistan is becoming a connecting point between Central Asia and South Asia. Due to its geographical location, Afghanistan can connect energy-rich Central Asia with South Asia, which is facing an energy crisis. In this regard, three projects of Tapi, Kasazar, and Tutop are under construction. In this regard, the three projects of Tapi, Kasazar, and Tutop are under construction. After many preliminary works and agreements, the practical works of these projects are now approaching. The Tapi project will start in Herat province next spring. Finally, economic growth will accelerate and transit fees will also become a good source of income. Tapi project. This pipeline will transport the 3 billion cubic meters of gas annually from Turkmenistan to Pakistan and India through Afghanistan. In this, the annual share of Afghanistan is 5 billion cubic meters, and the share of India and Pakistan is 14 billion cubic meters. This project will be implemented at a cost of about $10 billion, but it does not include the cost that will be incurred in Afghanistan and Pakistan during the construction of this pipeline in the security sector for the purpose of maintaining the pipeline.